Understanding Deck Plan, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, deck plan. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a traveler, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. We're going to break down what deck plan means, where you might encounter it, and how to use it in a sentence. So stay tuned, and let's dive right in. Deck plan is a compound noun, meaning it's made up of two words that come together to create a new meaning. The first word, deck, refers to a flat, usually elevated surface. You might find a deck on a ship, a house, or even a building. The second word, plan, refers to a detailed drawing or diagram showing the arrangement of something. So, when we combine these two words, a deck plan is a detailed drawing or diagram showing the arrangement of a deck. It outlines where everything is located, helping to give a clear visual representation of the deck's layout. 1. Cruises and ships. One of the most common places you might encounter a deck plan is on a cruise ship or large boat. These plans help passengers understand where different rooms and amenities are located. 2. Architecture and building. If you're building a house with a deck, or adding a deck to an existing structure, an architect might provide a deck plan to show the design and layout. 3. Event planning. Sometimes, for large events held on decks or similar outdoor spaces, an event planner might create a deck plan to organize the space effectively. Let's see how deck plan can be used in sentences. 1. Before boarding the ship, make sure to grab a deck plan so you know where everything is. 2. The architect sent over the deck plan for our new house, and it looks fantastic. 3. To ensure all the tables and chairs fit, the event planner created a detailed deck plan. And that's a wrap on deck plan. We hope this video has helped clarify what this phrase means and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, understanding the components of a compound noun can really help in grasping its overall meaning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.